Ciao, everyone. It's Princess and Bear here, and we're alive.
We are so alive.
I have not gained any other arms. The princess hasn't murdered me in my sleep, even though she would have been justified.
Probably.
No superpowers yet.
You really want those superpowers.
I really do. I'm not going to tell you which ones, though. So we are on day 11 of quarantine. By the time you guys see this, it'll be 12?
12, yes.
So we finished our CDC mandated 10 days. We are feeling great.
Negative tests.
Negative tests. Neither of us have had a fever in, it's been like over
a week.
Over a week. Our symptoms faded pretty quickly after the first week. I know you guys saw me that first video. I was feeling terrible just trying to get through that. But now I feel better than I did before I was sick. Not to say that the vaccine helped with that. I'm going to say that it did.
It definitely did. It could have been so much worse.
Oh, yes. We are extremely grateful that we got vaccinated. We have friends who have made some other choices that are not doing so great. No matter how much I lecture them about it, to the contrary. But
Florida is not doing so well right now as far as
But we're back.
But we're back. We're good.
And we're ready to get some actual food. We don't mind our cooking, but we're also very lazy.
We're ready to leave this house. Is what we're ready to do.
I'm about one day away from climbing the outside of these walls like Spider-Man. I am done with being in the house. I am not an inside bear. I'm an outside bear. I need the Florida sun to survive. And I've had very little that I can scrape on our little patio, then I need to get out. I need to get out now. But we told you guys to give you an update video. We're doing great.
Yes, you asked for that. We did look up the guidelines for both Universal and Disney.
Yes, we're still doing our best to adhere to those. So even though the CDC says that our 10-day quarantine is more than enough, especially with our symptoms being gone, Disney's website still says 14. So we're not going back to Disney until another 3 or 4 days.
You will be seeing we have one more video that we filmed when we were in quarantine. So that's going to post tomorrow.
Right.
And then moving forward from there, we will be back to doing our
usual thing.
Reviews.
With a abundance of caution. We've had a gallon of hand sanitizer. It's time to refill all those. The princess has mandated that I carry wipes. I already carry wipes in most bags, but now she wants one in every bag.
So we never forget wipes.
We never forget wipes.
Because we've definitely done that and sat at dirty tables, and we're not doing that anymore.
We have enough masks to last us until the next apocalypse. So we will definitely be carrying those again.
I'm so glad I can open the masks that I bought.
Yes, it's sad because we actually ordered probably like 9 or 10 more masks right before Disney took away the mask mandate the first time.
Yep.
So, like, I have, like, a Black Panther mask and a couple other things. So,
we
an
have
Avatar mask.
Probably more masks than we do magic bands and ears combined.
Ooh. I don't know about that.
We got a lot of masks.
More than magic bands. I wouldn't say more than ears. Close, though.
Really?
Yes.
They're 2 giant Disney bags
full. We like, separate our masks and bags. We don't have to, like, shuffle through it with that in Universal, but... Yeah, I would say getting close to the number of ears, but no, we're not there yet. Who knows? By the time it's over, we may end up buying more.
We probably will.
If they release more, we'll probably
They've been releasing more. We just haven't been buying them.
I mean, I bought the Black Panther ones, so...
Yeah, true.
Either way, you guys have been giving us a ton of well wishes in every video. We know that our content hasn't been the usual stuff, and we appreciate that. But all the well wishes on Twitter, Instagram, especially in the YouTube video, on our community page has been great.
Our Facebook groups that we have.
That has kept us very focused because we have been very like, we wish we could go out. We wish we could do content. We hate being stuck in this house. We love our house.
Sick.
Yeah, and I'm the biggest baby. I'll like crawl the corner, just leave me alone and let me die. So that's it. We're feeling good, and it's time to get back to the world carefully. So we want you guys to do the same. Go outside. But wear your mask, distance where you can, wash your hands, you filthy animals. Not all of you, but some of you, and you know who I'm talking about. Please be careful. And I know this is a touchy subject, but I'm going to say it anyway. Please get vaccinated.
Just do your research, talk to your doctor.
Yes.
Make sure that is the right
not Facebook Marketplace.
Choice for you. Don't ask the internet.
Not the Facebook doctors. Ask your doctor.
To a professional.
Yes, please. But until then,
we have new videos 5 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.
And we will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.